In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove multiple pages in Google Forms. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the task and how it can help improve your form creation skills. Let's start by heading over to Google Drive. This is where we'll begin our journey into Google Forms. Once you're on the Drive homepage, locate and click on the New button on the left-hand side. This opens a menu where you can choose different types of files to create. From this menu, select Google Forms. If you don't see it immediately, hover over the More option until you find it. We're going to create a new blank form, so select blank to open a fresh Google form. With your form open, the first thing you'll want to do is give it a name. Click on the title at the top left corner and type in what you'd like to call this form. Giving your form a clear, specific name helps recipients know what to expect and sets a professional tone. Next, we'll start building the form by adding questions. Click on the plus sign found on the right toolbar to add your first question. As you do this, notice the different types of responses you can select. This is where you decide if you want multiple choice, checkboxes, or perhaps a short answer format. Your choice will depend on the information you want to gather. Now, if your form is growing and you're thinking about organizing it neatly, it's time to add sections. This will help your respondents navigate the form easier, especially if you have multiple topics or need to categorize questions. To do this, look for the Add Section icon on the right side toolbar. Clicking this will split your form into separate parts. Once your section is added, you can click on it to add a brief description if needed. Providing a description can guide your respondents through each part, offering context or instructions relevant to that section of your form. This step is particularly useful for clarity and enhancing user experience. If you find that a section needs removing, don't worry, it's just as straightforward. Click on the More option in the upper right corner of the section you wish to remove. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Delete Section. This action will remove that part of your form, and there you have it. We've covered how to add or remove multiple pages in Google Forms, letting you create a comprehensive survey or questionnaire with ease and organization. Keep practicing these steps, and soon they will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.